Hey guys, Leanne here from Leanne Something For You. Well, I've done this already once, but for some reason my volume got turned down on my audio, so you couldn't even really hear me. So anyway, we're gonna do it again and hopefully get everything right. So I got an unboxing for you guys today. It's just a mixed lot of 6 toys that I got on Shopgoodwill. There was one thing in there that caught my eye, and I mean there's a few things in there I'm happy that was in the lot, but really just one item, and I just was going to show you guys and see if you guys knew about it and kind of tell you about it if you didn't. So I got it for $6.99 in the shipping, so it was a total of $25.14, I think, so not too bad. So in this box is Apple Cake Doll, which I don't know much about, and there is this, which I don't think it's the original box, but I don't even know if it's all here. Koshoy Movie Viewer Instructions. And there's all this in there. I don't know if it's all there or not. I'm not sure. So, then there was Teddy Ruxpin one. This is a 2018, but he's gonna get really annoying, but I'll squeeze him.
Let's sail away today. Let's sail off right now on a breeze. The flowers are together, we make a great team.
So there's him. And I have other ones. I have the original Teddy Ruxpin new in box, pretty much. He's new in box. I did open it just to look, to make sure. And then I got another one, like the next version up they made too. So that one's probably just going a lot with one of those. And we got a Cabbage Patch doll. I really need to learn a little bit more about Cabbage Patch dolls, but she's pretty, but she does get some staining on her leg there and then some other places. I will have to do some looking around on it, but there's her. And we got another one doing the little bald Cabbage Patch. And this is the why I got that, is for this little cat here. And it is a Squeaky. And this is made by the Edward Mobley Company. And it's from the 1960s. I can't really see the actual. Well, no, 1960. And it's, the company is Aero Rubber and Plastic Corp. And these guys are collectible. And depending on which figure that you have or find, you know, your price can go up. And they do go for some crazy prices. I have, hold on, let me see if I can show you real quick. Another one that I found on Facebook, the for sale site on Facebook. And they were asking, I think, 10 for it. And I offered her 5 and she took it. So now it hasn't sold. It's not one of those items that's gonna, you know, go flying off the shelf if it's not a, well, I can't say that. Maybe mine isn't, you know, one that is crazy, a crazy Bolo. There you go. But I still consider it a Bolo because they're just squeaky toys. I mean, how many times could you come across that at a yard sale and not even think about it? So, hold on. And I don't mind. It's a small item. It's easy to store, so I will definitely put it on my eBay and keep it for, you know, however long it takes to sell. That's for sure. Here it is. Okay, so this is a bear that I have up for sale. And that's what he looks like. Okay. And he's smaller. He's only like, I would say, the front of the cat's face here down. You know, that's all the bigger he is. And he does not, this This one actually has the sleepy eyes, which is pretty cool. Mine does not. And I have mine up for $110 for this one. So I do have some watchers on it. And like I said, I think it's just one of those items that it's got to be the right person find it. But I believe the right person will come across it eventually. So they have quite a few up for sale. I'm getting 253 results back on eBay for just Edward Mobley ones. Some people has them up, you know, for $18 and $20 shipped for whatever, but I just think that's people that don't know what they have. But my teddy bear that I have, there is, when I looked, there was one other one. And it looks like someone does have one. And they have theirs up for $55. And they have 21 watchers. So, you know, mine's been up probably for 4 or 5 months. So, you know, this is something that I am very bad about doing, is going back and checking on prices, because the one when I listed it, they were asking like $150 for. So that's why I listed mine below that, just because, you know, it's still, if it sold, would be a great deal for me, and I wanted it gone. So I'll probably go back and reamp that listing of this guy, because actually he did not show up in this in any of the listings under Edward Mobley. So I might not have did my title right, because he should have showed up here. So that's definitely something I'm going to do. But yeah, I mean, like this guy here, this one's up for $232. So it's like, you know, and then there's other ones that are $30. But still, if you find it in a box of toys and they got 50 cents, or maybe even in a free box, pick it up. Edward Mobley. It's a good Bolo item to look out for, I think. Okay, guys, I'm going to get off here. I'm going to upload this video, and then I'm going to do another one today, too. I got in the mystery box that I got from T's auction, from Auctions for You. And I'm fixing to get ready to do that unboxing, too. So I'm kind of excited about that one. So I hope you all guys watch that one with me, too. And please sub to my channel, and if you hit that bell icon underneath the video, it'll let you know when I post other videos or do auctions. Alright guys, have a good day. Bye.